Good evening everyone. My name is Planet-X Aerospace, sir. And I have three questions, like not questions, suggestions. First of all, we thank you, sir, Sindhi sir, for giving an opportunity to participate in Tamilnadu Drone Technology Enabling Festival. From RPTO trainings, see, because when we go through the websites, we are really happy to got approval from an university like in Chennai. And our mission is that to establish in each and every district in Tamil Nadu so that everyone can get training. And fee structure. Apart from fee structure, sir, it's like we are going to approach the farmers. Like sir says that we are going to train farmers. But according to the fees, it's like 60,000, 40,000. I don't think it's they can afford. And government should look into that and reduce some of the at least 50% or something, whatever percentage they can reduce. And second thing is that now in exhibition, when we put into the star, there is a lot of small manufacturers that are approached. There are new startups companies and they are approached us. Like sir, we are manufacturing these parts, like this part. So as Sai sir said, like we are focused on, we will focus on to the export level. So we should get first manufactured things. So my suggestion is that அவங்க எல்லாரும் சின்ன அந்த மேனுஃபேக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே ஒரு குரூப் பண்ணி நம்ம ஒரு அசோசியேஷன் மாதிரி பண்ணி அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன இருக்குங்கிறத நம்ம பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா definitely Anna University can take this step forward, sir. So this makes it will sound good, sir. And we are really happy and to be here in MIT campus. And this festival I would suggest to celebrate in every year, like aero shows in Hyderabad, Dubai show there, the same thing is to be happen here, particularly not in Chennai. It has to be in every district in Tamil Nadu, all over Tamil Nadu, so that all the village peoples, all the village entrepreneurs can get the more knowledge. Because in Chennai, those are available in Chennai, they can only come on visits. But if you go through all the districts, so everybody can get the opportunity to get into this. So that's what. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Our points are very well taken. Regarding to the DGCA fees, it's the initial launch of the program. Today morning we had a talk with Mr. Amber. They told year after, I think nearly about more than 500 RPTO is going to come. Now because of the available infrastructure, only few schools are they approved. Every month they are going to release at least some 10 schools. If you have a capability, you can apply. They are also ready to give the school. If more number of schools come, then automatically fees will get reduced. That is that's for your answer. Then rest of the thing, the association already I think AIDAT, Aerospace Industries Development of Association of Tamilnadu, a forum is available. You can join with them and you can come with the ideas. Already they agreed. A lot of funding opportunities are available. We should explore ourselves. We should prove ourselves. Then automatically funding is not a problem. People will come, they will support you your venture.